Look here. Whoa, these cameras are just moving right now as we speak. So as you make your way, things are getting a little bit congested. Yeah, so Thurbers Ave, and this is the southbound side. Give yourself some extra time right now on the northbound side, and perhaps there's an incident. That's what usually happens when we see these cameras kind of. A live look at Thurbers Ave there, and we'll send it over to Zach, and we'll check on this in a little bit. Guys?
Clouds beginning to increase a little bit here and there, filtering out some of the sunshine, but we're still bright and dry early on. This trend going to last at least for the next few hours, so let's hold on to it while we can, because we're going to switch things up after.